Introducing the first in a new line of LC power tools. The new UDOS 51E is the world's first 5-in-1 professional polisher. This revolutionary tool features a patented user-defined-orbital-stroke. UDOS 51E includes rotary, sanding, and 3 different random orbit choices, allowing detailers to get more work done with just one tool. Easily adjust the orbit with a simple turn of the front collar. The heavy-duty UDOS 51E is designed to replace 5 different tools detailers use. The groundbreaking design is the result of hundreds of hours of field research with professional detailers. Quickly switch between the 5 tool functions to convert UDOS from a sander to a rotary tool to a random orbit polisher with 12, 15, and 21 millimeter orbits. UDOS 51E allows you to easily adjust the tool to the job at hand rather than reaching for another tool, saving time and money. At 1200 watts, it's powerful enough to make quick work of large surfaces and versatile enough to do sanding, cutting, and finishing. The UDOS pads, backing plate, and tool are all dynamically balanced to minimize vibration. Dynamic balance provides enhanced comfort and control in all 5 settings. An easily adjustable variable speed control solidly engages and allows you to choose the right speed for the job. The ergonomic design includes a thick anti-slip rubber grip that reduces vibration. The UDOS 51E is the only polisher on the market to offer 3 different handle sizes for user comfort. 2 non-marring rubber bumpers on top keep UDOS stable when placed upside down. No tilting, rolling, or scratching of the finish. An all-new patent-pending backing plate dramatically increases airflow to keep both UDOS pads and the tool cooler for longer pad life and user comfort. UDOS 51E. Powerful, versatile, and precise to get more work done with fewer tools.